Okay, this is the STEM activity. Let's build a shamrock. And what you do is you open the link by clicking on the shamrock here, and it will show you the ready done shamrock, and your students can start it again. And what they do is they just grab the green rubber bands and they will be building a shamrock. So this is the geo boards without having to go searching for elastics. And it's great for virtual activity because all of the kids can then do the virtual activity as well from home and hand them in, because these can be customized at the end and they can share their links with the teachers. So this gives us a chance to add one of these wonderful STEM activities for St. Patrick's Day as well. And this one is let's build a shamrock. So as you can see, I'm quickly assembling the shamrock, and you have the other one there just for reference if you want to look at it. And because I've done one already, I don't really need to look too much at it. And then I will show you how you will color them in as well. So these are, it's almost ready. I'm going to add a little one there, and then I'm going to add a little one up there as well, and then I'll add the final. So that's the shamrock. And I have one more band to add up to the top. So once you've completed the shamrock, they can color it in. And how they color it in is you see these two here. You go to the right, and the right will allow you to drag all the way across. Just get it into the points, and then you just match it to the shamrock that you're building and go across, and then you bring it in, and you can even hide it if they want to do like a little screen. They can just put it over the shamrock so that they can reveal it to someone. And they can also have them add their names, like say this is Brenda's shamrock. I can put it in green, and it's right there. Let me just put it next to my shamrock. So this is how they can build a shamrock using the STEM activity. And for St. Patrick's Day, I will include this video as well right next to the shamrock so the students can watch and follow along. So they can hide it and they can open it. And then if they are ready to share it, they just share here, and it's generating a link. Copy the link. And if I go into my shamrock and I add the link, it will take you to this shamrock if you follow it. And when it opens that shamrock, then all they have to, well, let's see, they just have to clear over on the left to start it again. Clear all, and they can start again. So this is a really good geoboard activity that you can assign virtually, and the kids will have a lot of fun, and they can also enjoy making the shamrock. Happy teaching, everyone. Teacher Brenda, out.